Managers, they get paid to do things right, but leaders lead by doing the right things.
Yeah, and especially if you're at a crossroad, which reminds me of a
Mm.
time when I was in a crossroad, diba?
Okay.
Um, I remember when I was discovered to join and invited to join the beauty pageant, ang crossroads ko noon, yung beauty pageant ng Binibining Pilipinas was also on the same weekend when I was supposed to go to Guam and take my physical therapy board exams. So conflict in schedule, di ba?
Mm.
Pero pangarap ko maging beauty queen. And pangarap ko din ang maging doktor, which is why physical therapy was my pre-med course. But knowing two good things, God, who knows everything, He knows what's best for me because He loves me. He is the one that that I should look to.
Mm.
And you know what? So I prayed for it. And then when I prayed, sabi ko, Lord, ano kaya? Pupunta kaya? Nag-impress sa akin to look at my email. Meron akong isang email that was randomly sent by someone I don't even know. And the subject of the email was crossroads. Babasahin ko nga tong article na to. You know, when I read the bottom of the article, it said there, when you're at a crossroad, look for the cross on the road. When you find yourself at the crossroad, look for the cross on the road. So it really confirmed na kailangan ko talaga ipagdasal yung mga decision ko. And when I pray, God told me to go. I ended up joining the pageant, forgoing my board exams. Tapos a week before the coronation night, nalaman ko na na-move pala yung board exam ko to the following month. Kaya dahil sinabi ni God na go ako, pumunta ako sa beauty pageant the following month, ipinasa ko yung board exam ko. Pagbalik ko dito, tinawagan ako ng Binibining Pilipinas, sinabi niya na disqualify yung ating Miss Universe at ako na daw padadala. Eventually, I brought home the first runner-up title and you know what? When God says go, just go because He loves you. He wants what's best for you. You just have to take a leap of faith and He will be the one to open doors. He will be the one to protect you. He will be the one to allay your fears and He will be the one to give you success.